Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will show you how to use French sticker without mistakes. This guide sticker makes it easy to create French manicure. But if you just stick it on, the sticker will peel off, or the gel will leak out from underneath, which often leads to failure. In that case, please try this method. You can draw beautiful French lines without going beyond the sticker, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Everyone has seen this French manicure at least once. This French manicure with only the tip of the nail painted white is a simple and timeless design that can be said to be a staple of nail art. At first glance, this French manicure looks simple and easy. But did you know that it is actually a very high-level nail art? The reason it is so difficult is this curve. This curve needs to be drawn symmetrically and without distortion with a brush. Many nail artists have difficulty with this, and even I have never been able to draw a French line that I am truly satisfied with. However, did you know that the French manicure can be made easily by using various items? For example, you can use a nail stamper in an instant. Apply gel over a round masking tape, or use a guide sticker for French manicure to draw difficult curves. This time, I will introduce some tips for using guide sticker for French manicure. This is a method that we would like you to try if you have trouble with the gel spilling out even after applying sticker. Okay, let's try. First, apply 2 coats of color gel and harden it with the light. After applying 2 coats and hardening, there will be sticky uncured gel remaining on the surface of the nail. If you apply a sticker while the stickiness remains, the sticker will peel off immediately. Therefore, to prevent the sticker from peeling off, first, apply a non-wipe top coat only to the part where you will be applying the sticker. If you apply a non-wipe top coat before applying the sticker, it will stick tightly and will not peel off easily. Also, this is just to prevent the sticker from peeling off, so apply it only to the part where you will be applying the sticker. Once you have applied only to the areas where you will be applying the stickers, harden it with the nail light. Next, apply the guide sticker for French. If you touch the adhesive surface of the sticker directly with your hands, it will lose its adhesiveness. So pinch it with tweezers. Apply the sticker so that the highest part of the sticker is in the center of the nail. Once applied, use a silicone stick or something similar to make sure it adheres firmly. Also, wrap the sticker toward the base of the nail to avoid wrinkles. Now, the sticker is firmly attached. Now, it's time to paint the French part. First, apply a thin layer of base gel before applying the color gel. By applying this base gel first, you can draw French lines without going beyond the sticker. Also, apply the base gel very thinly. When filling in the area, if you move the brush toward the base of the nail, the gel will leak under the sticker. So move the brush toward the tip of the nail. After applying the base gel thinly, cure it. Next, apply the white gel. Just like the base gel, apply the brush toward the tip of the nail. Also, if you use too much gel, it will be difficult to remove the sticker. So apply a thin layer here as well. Let it harden after you finish painting the fringe part. Apply 2 coats in the same way as before. Let it harden after you finish painting the fringe part. Now, let's peel off the guide sticker. Grip the edge of the sticker and peel it off slowly. By applying no-wipe top coat before applying the sticker and applying base gel, we were able to create a beautiful fringe line without spilling over. Finally, apply no-wipe top coat to finish. Let it harden after you've applied it all over. This completes the process. With just a little ingenuity using guide sticker, we were able to create a beautiful fringe curve. How did you like the tips for fringe sticker? By applying top coat before applying the sticker and applying base coat first, you can create a beautiful fringe line, so please try it out. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.